guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Do you like makeup and skincare? Do you want to save money? Do you get goosebumps when you score a great deal? Do you always feel like you could have saved more? Do you like free things? Are you wondering, how can I get more makeup and skincare without breaking the bank? If so, then keep watching. I have 10 ways that you can save money buying makeup and skincare, and I bet there'll be new ones you've never heard about. Number 1, buy the kits. Sephora and Ulta make kits that have a lot of little mini things in there so you can try out a bunch of different brands and products without paying full price. The kits are usually valued at least double what you pay retail for if you bought them all individually. Like this little small Sunday Riley Luna oil, a full size of this is well over $60, but I got this included in a kit for about $28 at Sephora. Plus, when you go at Sephora or in other stores, a lot of times there's add-ons, gift with purchases. So score free things and you get to try things at a great discount price. Number 2, birthday freebies. Do you know that you can get a lot of free things on your birthday or in your birthday month? Take for instance Sephora. The whole month of your birthday you can go in and get a free present. This year you can choose between skincare, makeup, and hair care. And I chose the makeup version, which is Bite Beauty, and you get 3 lip products in here for free. I'll leave a link down below of a great resource that shows a lot of different stores, and including restaurants where you can go and get free things at the Melea show here on YouTube. Number 3, Facebook swap groups. I had never heard of them until I started looking for them. But just like your local swap where you can go in your community and get things, there's actually an online community on Facebook. You type in Ipsy subscription swap group and you just go and people are trying to sell their or swap the things that they got in their subscription boxes and also things they got in Sephora Kids and everything depending on the rules of the group. But you can get really discounted prices. Something like a blush or a skincare product that they can verify that there's a seal on it, then you know that that's brand new, and sometimes you can get it for like $2. Number 4, subscription boxes. This is why I got subscription boxes, because I pay just a little money every month to get a lot in return, and if I don't use them, well, I can just sell them or swap them on the Facebook group. Number 5, I'm sure you've all heard it, especially if you watch YouTube, Ebates. Seriously guys, try Ebates, and this is not sponsored. I have definitely saved a lot. A lot of times they do double, like 6% cash back, 10% cash back. And sometimes I'll wait and put things in my cart and wait for Ebates to send me a notification that that certain store is double cash back that day. Another thing about Ebates, if you can go into the store like at Ulta, try something on, and then wait to buy it online because you know that you're getting that extra percentage cash back. Number 6, buy the minis. Take for instance this Buxom lipstick that I'm wearing right now. A lot of times they come in a kit, or you can just buy the mini. You don't need to buy a full-size product. Check to see if it's in a mini. Some would say that it's not as good of a price to get the mini, but if you don't think that you'll go through a full size because you have a crazy collection of makeup or skincare, just try to save money and buy the mini. I mean, who really goes through a full-size blush? Number 7, royalty points. At Ulta, every 100 points is $3 cash. But let's say you want to get Physicians Formula bronzer. You wait for you to get Physicians Formula 5 times the points and then buy it then. And so then you're getting 5 times those points and a lot more cash to apply to your purchase. I hope that makes sense. Number 8, RetailMeNot.com. Yes, I know it's a great place to look for coupons online and in store. They also have this thing that's cash back. Sometimes you'll look and see that there's $5 cash back on a $40 purchase. Ebates like 1.5% cash back. If you go through RetailMeNot, it's a lot better of a deal. You get $5, they put it into your PayPal account. That is right there saving an additional $5. Number 9, the biannual or quad-annual or just all the different sales. Check blog posts or YouTube posts of different sale times and see when do they usually come out. Like Sephora, for example, has a VIB sale in the springtime and in the fall. There's a 15% off coupon for the whole store, and a lot of times that's hard to come by with Sephora. Ulta, they send out 20% coupons a lot, especially if you're a platinum or now a diamond. They email you with free things and with 20% off coupons for fragrances and prestige brands as well. So if you can wait for those sales and then you have a coupon, I highly recommend that. That's usually when I make a big purchase. And number 10, website coupons. Did you know that if you go to, let's say, CeraVe.com, you will actually see that there's a coupon place on their website, and there's a $2 off coupon that you can use at any store. Right now, the hydrating facial cleanser that I really like is $10 at Target. You print out the coupon, or you see it, have it on your phone, and then you can just use that coupon. $2 off, it brings it down to $8, and it's a heck of a deal. And bonus 11, shop your stash. What I like to do is I like to rotate my makeup. It feels like I have something new every month or every other month. Keep a Tupperware or something of your makeup in a closet and kind of resort things depending on the season. You'll find that you'll be spending less because you'll be finding, oh yeah, I really like that product in here and I just don't use it. You don't have to spend anything if you do that. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. If you have any tips or tricks for saving money, please let us know down below. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.